Hello everybody, how are you? I hope you are enjoying the classes and school have been reopened and you are learning many new things. And today I'm going to tell you here a special thing about grammar, English grammar, rules of noun. I will tell you what is noun and how to make singular and plural. How to make singular and plural of the noun. I will tell you this thing today. Singular and plural of noun will be there and you all are welcome. And this is Adhyatam, Ananya, Arjav, Devansi, Idala, Kanika, Kartik, Kartike, Khushi, Manav, Gulati, Manvi, Tyagi, Manya, Malotra, Naman, Neerav, Paritosh, Shraddha, Shobhagya, Saksham, Ridhima, Tanishk, Yashi, and Nishunk, and Kartavya Pratap. Everybody is most welcome here. And here you must have copy and pen with you. Whatever I will tell you, you have to write it down also. You have to note it down and write it down. The rules of noun. First heading, you will put rules of noun. This heading you will write. Wait for the moment. Just I am telling you what is the rules of noun. Okay. I will start the rule. Rule 1. The plural can be formed by adding simple s, like book. It is ending in consonant, so that will be books. Pen, it will be pens. Desk, DESK, desks, means ending in consonant, ending in consonant, ending in consonant, form their plural by adding s. The word of noun, noun is the name of thing, name of thing, name of person, or name of place also there. So it is called singular and it is called plural, which end in consonant K, N, K, form their plural by adding only S. Got it? Written that rule? Okay. Now, next rule. Rule 2. The noun which end in X, double S, CH, and SH form their plural by adding ES. By adding ES. Which noun end in X, double S, CH, SH form their plural by adding es, like book. It is ending in what? K. Girl. It is ending in what? L. Consonant. So we will say only S. We will add only S to these nouns. Got it? Now, like box. It is ending in what? X. So it will be added boxes. That is wrong. It will be boxes. 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 What are you writing, Kinshuk Thakur? Please write whatever the rule I am saying. Otherwise, we will make you block there. Okay, don't write anything there. Please keep your eye here. Okay, got it? That is rule number 2. The noun ending in S, like double S. Double, what the word end in double S? Can anybody tell what the word end in double S? Like class. We have to make it plural. Plural means many, not chess. Class. That will be classes. Glass. Glasses. Games cannot be changed. Game names cannot be made singular or plural. Okay. Billiards. Okay. Billiards contains S automatically. Chess doesn't contain S or ES. It is ending in S. Okay. We don't make plural of hockey. Okay. Okay. Glass, box. Now CH. What is ending in CH? Branch. What will be its plural? Branches. Next is SH. What is the word end in SH? Brush. BRUSH. What it will be plural? Brushes. Means the noun which end in X, double S, CH or SH form their plural by adding what? By adding ES. Means which noun end in SH, CH, X and double S form their plural by adding ES. Classes, brushes, branches, boxes. Now tell, what will be touch? TOUCH. Touches, या TOUCHES. Touches. Gas. GAS. It is the special exception. It also contained ES. While it is not ending in double S, but we put ES there. Dish. Dishes. That is exception. Upward. Exception. Church. What it will be? Churches. Match. What it will be? Matches. Watch. Watches. Tax. Taxes. Okay. Rule 1 and rule 2 are clear. Write 2. If both clear, write 1. If only one clear, write 0. If none is clear, type 0, 1, 2. 2 rules I have told you, and it must be clear to you, and it will be very useful for you in your English classes. Next, third rule. Rule third. the noun which end in O, which end in O and preceded by, preceded by, preceded means before that, preceded means before that, preceded by a consonant, consonant, form plural by adding es. जैसे buffalo, it is ending in what? O. And what is preceded? L is a consonant. L is what? You know what is consonant and what is vowel? What is consonant and what is vowel? Vowel are 5 letters of alphabet A to Z. There are 26 letters A to Z. Vowel is A, E, I, O, U, and other 21 letters are called consonants. Okay. Buffalo means if O is preceded by consonant, we will add es. Buffaloes, buffaloes. What we will add? Es. Eco. O is preceded by a consonant. O is preceded by a consonant. Will add es. Will add es. Consonant. So what will be right? Heroes. Yeah, heroes. Heroes. Mango. This is consonant. Consonant. What we will add? Es. O is preceded by consonant. What we will add? Es. Potato. Preceded by what? T is consonant. So we will say es. Potatos is wrong. What we will put? Potatos, because O is preceded by a consonant. Got it? Tomato, consonant, es. Negro. Negro is called persons who live in Africa. Black color persons, the big persons, are called Habsi. In Hindi we say Habsi. Volcano, it is also preceded by consonant, so it will be also followed by es. It will be also followed by es. Got it? Next. Rule number 4. If noun and in O, and in O, and preceded by a vowel. Now, preceded by what? Vowel. Preceded by what vowel? We form their plural. We form their plural by adding only s. By adding only s. If O is followed by vowel, O is followed by what? Vowel. Then we will not add es. What we will add? Only s. Only s. Have written? Rule number 4, please type W there. Please type W if you have written there. The rule number 4. I will give you the example then. Write very fast because time is less. Because time is very less. See, STUDIO. FOLIO. Studio. See, O is preceded by what? Vowel. So what we will use? We will use only S. O is preceded by what? Vowel. What we will add? Plural. How to make it plural? We will add only S. Got it? Folio means file groups. Folio. Got it? Now, rule number 5. Rule number 5. If a noun and in Y, and if a noun and in what? Y, and preceded by a consonant, then Y will be removed and by adding IES, Y will be changed into IES. Form the plural. Form the plural. Like example, that is army. Okay, ending in Y, preceded by a consonant. So we will delete Y. We will delete Y and add IES. ARMIES. 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 ठीक है? Cry. What it will be? CRIES. Cries. Got it? Have you written this all? Rule 5. Write down rule 5. If a noun and in Y preceded by a consonant, then Y will be deleted or removed and Y will be changed into IES. We will replace Y by IES. Like baby, army, city. These are all followed by consonant. Y is preceded by consonant. Armies, babies, cities. Rule number 6. When a noun and in F or FE and write down along with me, preceded by a consonant, then we form their plural by F and FE will be changed into F and FE will be changed into VES. F or FE will be changed in VES. F or FE will be deleted, like wife, patni. What we will do? We will delete FE and we will put VES, means wives. Wives. Knife, चाकू, KNIFE, क्या होगा? Knives, बहुत सारे चाकू, knives. Calf, calf means क्या होता है? बछड़ा. Calf means बछड़ा, cow का बच्चा, baby. What we will say? Calves, CALVES. F or FE will be deleted and replaced by VES, but it should be followed by, ठीक है, consonant or vowel. Consonant or vowel दोनों, right? Either consonant, either vowel. Whether consonant, whether vowel. यहाँ पे एक word और add कर लो, either consonant or vowel. चाहे consonant हो चाहे vowel. Form their plural by adding. Now, rule number 7. Form the plural by changing internal vowels. There is no rule. You have to keep them memorized. You have to keep them memorized. This list you have to memorize, like tooth. That will be teeth. Foot. That will be feet. Tooth, teeth, foot, feet. Internal vowel will be changed. That is rule number 7. Got it? Type G7. Got all 7 rules. Type G7. We have got all 7 rules. Man, men, MEN. Woman, women. Louse, lice. Louse means जुएं, जो सिर में होती हैं जुएं. That is called louse. Mouse, mice. पूरा वर्ड ही चेंज हो गया. The whole word will be changed. Goose, geese. दोनों वोवल चेंज होगी. Foot, feet, tooth, teeth. Tooth, teeth. And louse, lice, mouse, mice. Dormouse means dimak. Dormice. Dormouse, dormice. Okay. Now, see. Next. Rule number 8. Some Latin words. Latin means Latin language used in English form their plural by changing the word, Some Latin words form their plural by changing the word completely. Word will be changed. There will be no rule of s or es. We will don't put s or es. We will don't use f or fe will be deleted and put vs. This will not be applied. Y will be changed into is. This will also not apply. No previous rule will be applied. It is totally changing the word. Criterion, that is criteria. Criteria means criteria. What is the criteria? Means what is the rule? What is the criteria to come in the school? Datum. Datum means data. You have heard of the name of data. Okay. Data is a plural word. Data is a plural word and its singular is datum. Erratum. Erratum means galtiyan. Errata. Erratum, errata, datum, data. Criterion, criteria. Formula. Formulae. Have you heard the name? Formulas. What will be formulas? That is wrong. If you will speak formulas, that will be wrong. You have to speak formulae. Formulae. Okay. Criterion, criteria. Datum, data. Erratum, errata. Formula, formulae. Okay. Formulas, we will not say formulas. Formulae. Forum. Forum means group of friends. Forum is called fora. Forum plural will be fora. Forum plural will be fora. Got it? Now, index. You have seen what is written index. That is a chapter 1 this, chapter 2 this. That is called index. Indices. Indices. Index is called indices. Lacuna. Lacune. Kamiyan. Lacune. Kamiyan. Indices means विषय सूचियां, subject chapter wise. In indexes नहीं, indices नहीं बोलेंगे इसको. Indices. Lacuna, lacune. Medium, media. What's your medium? Media. Memorandum. Statement. Memoranda. Oasis. Oasis means a place where there are a lot of greenery in a desert. Lot of desert is a that we will call it a sand area where no trees and flowers grow on. But oasis is called fertile place in desert, and its plural will be oasis. I will be changed into E. Radius, you have heard the name. In this circle, this is the radius. Radius R represented by R. And what are that? Radii. Radiuses is wrong. Radiuses is wrong. Radius is called radii. Stadium, you have heard the name. Stadium, Narendra Modi ji stadium, that is called stadia. That is called stadia. Stadium is called stadia. That red color are plural, and that is singular. Index is indices. Lacuna is lacunae. Medium is media. Memorandum is memoranda. Oasis, oasis. Radius is called radii. Stadium is called stadia. Terminus is called termini. Terminus is called, terminus means of the target. Terminus means target. Its plural will be termini. Its plural will be termini. Now, these are the Greek words. That were the Latin word. Now Greek word also changed. No rule 7 applied. No rule 7 applied. Axis, I will be changed into axis. Analysis, I will be changed into ES. Analysis. Basis will be changed basis. Crisis will be changed in crisis. I will be changed, IS will be changed into ES. Greek word IS will be ES. That is singular or that is plural. Okay, IS and ES. Have you written that? So these are Greek words. These are Greek words. Some more Greek word. Hypothesis. What will be? Hypothesis. Parenthesis. Parenthesis. Supposition. Bracket. Phenomenon. Phenomena. Italian word. Bandit. Bandit means dacat. In Hindi we call it dacat. Bandit. Banditti. That word is changed. Ban D double TI. Banditti. Bandit will be banditti. Phenomenon will be phenomena. Note it down, everything. Note it down, everything. Quickly. Note down. Okay. Now, this is the last slide. This is the last slide today. Madam is called mestem. Madam is a French word. We call what? Madam. We call in our college madam. It is madam. Madam, French word. And mesdames. बहुत सारी madam. Mesdames. Mesdames. Good morning, mesdames. Au revoir, mesdames. Monsieur. Monsieur is also French word. It means Shriman. Mr. Shriman or Mr. Monsieur. Like if we will say Monsieur Annan, Monsieur Sandeep, Monsieur Sandeep, Monsieur Sandeep, Mr. Sandeep, Monsieur. Madam is mesdames, Monsieur is messieurs, messieurs. Now, Philistine word, Hebrew. This is the language name. That is the language of Philistine. Cherub. Cherub means cherubim. Cherub means cherubim. Beautiful child. Cherub means गोल मटोल बच्चा. Cherub. You are cherub. बहुत सुंदर बच्चा. Cherub. Cherubim. Seraph. Seraph. Serbia is a country, and who live in Serbia is called Seraph. Seraphim. Seraph will be Seraphim. Got it? Now, tell me, what will be criterion? What will be criterion? What will be criterion? Criterion will be criteria. Very good. What will be datum? What will be datum? Datum will be data. What will be erratum? What will be erratum? That will be errata. What will be formula? That will be formulae. What will be forum? Forum will be fora. F-O-R-A. Now, what will be index? Index will be what? Tell my friends. Index will be indices. What will be lacuna? Lacuna means shortfall, kami. Lacuna, formula wala banega ye. The rule of formula, lacunae. Medium, Hindi medium, English medium. What will be plural? Media. Memorandum. Memorandum means statement. Statement written on something. Madam, give me memorandum. Madam, give me memorandum. Memoranda. Many statement. Oasis. What will be oasis? I will be changed what? I will be changed E. Oasis. That is a green place in desert. Radius will be what? Radius. Radius will be radii. Stadium will be what? Stadium. Stadium will be stadia. Terminus will be what? Terminus. Terminus will be termini. Termini. Terminally. Termini. Axis. Analysis. Basis. Crisis. Greek word. IS will be changed into ES. IS will be changed into ES. Got it? Hypothesis, hypothesis, parenthesis, parenthesis, ES. ES. Phenomena. Phenomena will be what? phenomenon, phenomena. Phenomenon will be what? Phenomena. That will be phenomena. That you have to memorize them. It can't be understandable. You have to memorize them by heart, because these are no rule. There is no rule. You have to memorize them all. These all words you have to memorize with the list. Bandit will be bandity, and it will be useful also in your big classes, inter, graduation, CPI, CPO, when you will prepare for government jobs. These class will be useful there. It will be useful there. Then, now, you have to write now some words also. Love indicating word. The words which indicate love about something. Love about books. Who loves book? That is called bibliophile. 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 Lover of knowledge. Bibliologist. Bibliophile, lover of books. Bibliologist, lover of knowledge. Lover of hands. If you memorize chiropodist, chiropractor, in medical terminology we have memorized that. Chirophile means lover of hand, जो हाथों को बड़ा प्यार करता हो. Carnivore, who loves to eat meat. Mansahari. Lion is carnivore. Carnivore. कार भी खा जाए lion. Carnivore. Mansari. Cannibal. Cannibal यानी कि लवर ऑफ ह्यूमन फ्लैश, आदमी को खा जाए. कैनिबाल, बाल भी ना छोड़े जो. कैन नी बाल, एक भी बाल नहीं छोड़ता, पूरा खा जाता है. कौन? लोयन. लोयन इफ कैनिबाल इज टू बी किल्ड. कैनिबाल. written all word W5. All 5 word if you have written W5. Next is Canusier. Canusier means who have the good taste in art and painting. Canusier. Canusier. Drunkard, जो बहुत ज्यादा पीता हो. एल्कोहलिक ड्रिंक, जो शराब पीने वाला. पियक्कड़. पियक्कड़ is called drunkard. Piyakkad, drunkard. Lover of democracy means Parjatantra. Like in India there is democracy. So Democrat, what we call? We are called Democrat. Lover of dictatorship, like Hitler was a dictator. Dictator. Dictatorship, dictator. Democracy, Democrat. Lover of trees. Who love trees, 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 is called dendrophile. 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 Lover of good food, यानी पेटू, जो भरपेट खाता हो, दबा के खाता हो. Lover of good food is called gourmet. Gourmet. Gourmet means पेटू. Gourmet, जो बहुत दबा के खाता हो, gourmet. अब किसी को मोटे आदमी को कहोगे यू आर फैट तो लड़ाई हो जाएगी, ही विल फाइट। तो यू कैन से यू आर गवर्नमेंट, तुम तो दबा के अच्छा खाते हो खाना, मतलब वो बुरा भी नहीं मानेगा। ही विल नॉट से ओ यू हैव सेड मी फैट मैन, यू कैन से गवर्नमेंट। गवर्नमेंट नहीं, कभी कह दो यू आर गवर्नमेंट, डोंट से गवर्नमेंट, यू आर गवर्नमेंट, नॉट गवर्नमेंट, गवर्नमेंट। व्हाट यू विल से? गवर्नमेंट, गवर्नमेंट। हाँ, कभी किसी को सुनाई दे गवर्नमेंट। ग्लोब ट्रोटर, who want to travel around the world, who want to go Switzerland, Germany, France, China, Australia, everywhere, globe trotter, globe trotter. Who want to wish to go and want to travel in all new countries is called globe trotter. He is called globe trotter. Philanthropist, lover of mankind, all the men are brother and sister. He is called humanitarian or philanthropist. Philanthropist, lover of mankind, philanthropist, humanitarian, lover of horse, जो घोड़ों को प्यार करे, हिप्पोफाइल, हिप्पोफाइल, हिप्पो मीन्स नॉट हिप्पोपोटेमस, हिप्पो, हिप्पो आपने सुना होगा ना, दरियाई घोड़ा, हिप्पोपोटेमस, दरियाई घोड़ा, तो घोड़ा इज कॉल्ड हिप्पो, लवर ऑफ हॉर्स इज कॉल्ड हिप्पोफाइल, लवर ऑफ मटेरियल थिंग, ओ एप्पल मोबाइल, ओ कार, ओ एलसीडी, मटेरियल थिंग, who loves material thing, that is materialist, material जो इकट्ठा करता हो, materialist, materialist, lover of grandeur, I want to be great, I want to be number one. Who want to be number one in everything? Grandeur means greatness. Who think I am the great person? Megalomaniac, megalomaniac, megalomaniac. Got it? Megalomaniac. Next, lover of mobocracy. Mobocracy means public, public. Mob means bheed, public. There is a lot of public in the government, that is called mobocrat. Mercenary, who can do anything for money, can do anything for money, only love for money, 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 only money. Mercenary, mercenary, mercenary who love for money. Nomad, sadhu जीवन, who want to be sadhu, nomadic, that is nomads. घुमक्कड़, घुमंतु भी बोलते हैं, तो घुमंतु जो घूमते रहते हैं इधर उधर, साधु, दैट इज कॉल्ड नोमेडिक, उनका कोई घर ठिकाना नहीं होता, नोमेडिक। एंड कॉल्ड नोमेड्स, नोमेड्स जिन्हें घर वर से प्यार नहीं होता, नोमेड्स। लवर ऑफ सेल्फ, लवर ऑफ सेल्फ, नार्सिस्ट, 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 NAR, NAR, CISSIST, narcissist, lover of self, lover of peace, जो शांति पसंद करता हो, lover of peace, pacifist, 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 lover of peace, pacifist, peace का। Who love one country, देश प्रेमी, व्हाट वी कॉल, मेरे देश प्रेमियों, पैट्रियट, not martyr. Martyr is called who gives his life, who gives his life, Shaheed, that is called martyr. And who loves his country, it's called patriot. Parrot मत लिख देना, you love your country, you are parrot, not parrot, patriot. कभी कहो you are parrot, I am parrot, not parrot. What you will say, patriot. Who love children, small children, cute children, pedophile, pedo, याद है आपको, मैंने कराया था पेडाट्रिशियन, पेडाट्रिशियन, बच्चों का डॉक्टर, पेड़े खाता है तो बच्चों को जो प्यार करे, पेडोफाइल, जिसमें फाइल लग जाए वो, फाइल लगने पे प्यार होता है, लव, फाइल। लवर ऑफ वर्ड्स, तो ये नए नए वर्ड हैं, अगर आप नए वर्ड सीखना चाहते हैं, यू वांट टू लर्न न्यू वर्ड्स, इट इज कॉल्ड फिलोलॉजिस्ट। लवर ऑफ फीट, जो अपने पैरों को, देखो हैंड को प्यार करे तो चीरो फाइल, चीरोपोडिस्ट है ना, चीरो फाइल, हैंड को क्या था, चीरो फाइल, और फीट को क्या है, पोडोफाइल, पोडोफाइल। लवर ऑफ गॉड, थीस्ट, ये क्या गलत है, थीस्ट, भगवान को जो प्यार करता हो, लव ऑफ गॉड, थीस्ट। एंड दिस इज द लास्ट, दिस इज द लास्ट, लवर ऑफ सोसाइटी, एवरी सोसाइटी पर्सन लव, सोशेबल। लवर ऑफ स्पोर्ट्स, स्पोर्ट्स मैन, स्पोर्ट्स फैन। लवर ऑफ वेजिटेबल्स, वेजिटेरियन। लवर ऑफ वार, वार मोंगर, हर समय वार मांगता रहता है, लड़ाई झगड़ा मांगता रहता है, वार मोंगर। लवर ऑफ एनिमल, जू फाइल या जू फिलिस्ट, जू फाइल, जू फिलिस्ट। दैट्स द एंड of the class today, and tomorrow I will teach you hate indicating word and direct indirect narration. Tomorrow English topic will be direct and indirect narration. Direct sentence is what, he asks me, comma, inverted commas, you are going where, ye, that is comma, inverted commas. Okay, thank you very much for the day. We'll meet tomorrow with direct and indirect. Does direct and indirect use in your classes? Direct and indirect is used in your classes. In which class? Direct to indirect, indirect to direct is used. In which class? Which class? It is asked to convert direct into direct. Class 6, class 7, class 8, 7th class. Okay, I will tell you tomorrow direct and indirect rules. Okay, I think you enjoyed today class. Bye bye, see you again, we'll meet tomorrow. Sayonara, bye bye.